fams, welcome to my channel and welcome if you are new here. So today's video is going to be my Christmas mantle for 2024. I am super excited about this mantle, you guys, but I am also so upset at myself because in the midst of me filming, I got a couple of clips. In the midst of me filming, my phone just stopped filming and I wasn't aware. I was so just thrust into getting the mantle, prepared and done, because the only time that I had was this Saturday and it was later in the evening. One, I was losing light because I don't have an overhead light in my living room. And two, I didn't have any other day to do it. And so I know that I needed to get it filmed because I had to get it all uploaded and up for you guys today. So my phone stopped filming and I was not aware. So all of the work, the hard work that I put in for you guys to be able to get some ideas and some tips on how to create a mantle for Christmas like this was gone. Like, all the work is gone. There's nothing to show for it. Just, the two clips that you're going to see, and then it's going to basically dive into the reveal of the mantle. So I do apologize, you guys. This has never happened to me before. I don't know what happened. I had enough on there to film it, but I had enough space on my phone to film it, but I just don't know what happened, why my phone just cut off like that. And so it did, and completely missed out on all of the tips. So what you're seeing is this is it, you guys. So I hope that in some ways you guys can, in your mind, just kind of imagine all that I did. I'm gonna try to somehow take you through it step by step, but what I did was the garlands that I have here, they're actually the Texas House collection from Walmart. I love her collection this year, and these garlands are absolutely stunning. They're also super affordable. They were $29.99 and they are 9 feet. So it worked out so perfectly for exactly the vision that I had for it. However, I did have to use a regular pine garland to put on top of the mantle itself. And you're going to see in the reveal that I kind of changed it up a little bit so that I was able to get all my picks in there, and all of my berry picks and everything like that. So y'all, I'm so sorry. I feel so terrible. Like, I can't even believe that this happened because it was so much work. It literally took me 2.5 hours to work on this mantle because of all that was involved in it. And I just cannot believe that all that footage did not get recorded. So this is the reveal. As you can imagine, the work that went into it, you guys. But I was able to get that third garland up there and, just kind of take the Texas House Real Touch garland, I believe it's called. I don't remember the name of it. I think it's spruce. I gotta get the name of it for you guys, but if I can find it, I will link it down below for y'all. But I just kind of did that, and then I stuck all the branches and the picks in there because I still wanted that romantic, whimsical feel, but still traditional and classic. So I stuck the berries because that's what I was going for, and I got some ribbons. The satin ribbons I got from Walmart, and they were $1.97 a piece. And then the velvet ribbon I got from TJ Maxx, so I really can't link that. But the garland baubles I also got from Walmart, and that's the Texas House collection. You guys saw me hauling all this stuff, but I will definitely link them down below for you guys if you're interested in purchasing any of them for yourself. And these little branches is the same branches that I used in the fall on my garland. I just reused them for the Christmas season, and I will be reusing them all over my house because they are absolutely versatile and they are so beautiful, you guys. And I just love that whimsical look that it gives. On top of the mantle itself, I stuck all of the picks in together, and I kind of just wanted like a messy together type of look, and I think I did achieve that. And I hope that you guys like it, that you guys can kind of get some type of tips from what you see, and hopefully I'm explaining it to you guys the right way, or clearly. But I was able to get all the picks and the berry picks in there. The berry picks I also got from Walmart this year, which they have a plethora of them. And then these deers, the gold one I did thrift, so I can't link that. And then these two, the white one I got from Marshall's, and then the silver like pewter colored one I got from Walmart, but I got those like 2 years ago. And then these little reindeers that you see here, they're actually stocking holders from Marshall's 2 years ago. So they're holding my stockings. The stockings I got, the two white ones I got from Amazon, and then the middle one I got from Walmart. And these are years ago, like I got them. And I just love the way everything turned out with all the ribbons, all the berry picks, all the reds. I mean, oh my gosh. This portrait I ordered from Amazon, and they came in like a pack of 6, I believe. I will also have that link for you guys. And I just put it in a thrifted frame that I've had for years and tied some ribbon around it, and it just looks stunning. And then my beautiful wreath, I got that from TJ Maxx. My husband bought that for me for my birthday this year, and I just tied on some ribbon from Walmart, and I just love the way that it all turned out. So I hope that I explained it to you guys, clearly. I'm so sorry that I lost all those beautiful footage, but I will definitely have a decorate with me for Christmas coming up soon. My tree and my living room still has to be decorated, so I will have that for you guys, hopefully this week, the week of Thanksgiving. But thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know down in the description, in the comment section, what you guys think, and if you can and will recreate something like this for yourself as well. That Jesus is Lord, He loves you, and I love you too, and that He is the reason for the season. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.